Parduc A35 and A35XL grinding wheel replacement. Move the grinding wheel off the transport support using manual drive by holding down the start button. The movement stops when the start button is released. Press the start button to stop the rotation of the wheel. Turn off the machine using the power switch and unplug the power cord from the socket. Open the service hatch using the special key. Loosen the wheel mounting nut by turning it counterclockwise. Hold the wheel with your other hand. Check that the O-ring on the shaft is intact. A worn O-ring can cause vibrations during sharpening. Install a new intact grinding wheel, ensuring it is properly seated. Tighten the hand nut securely. Close the service hatch and plug the power cord into the socket. Turn on the main power switch. Wait about 5 seconds for the control unit to initialize. By pressing the start button, the carriage will move to the home position and be ready for sharpening again.